Hi, good evening, everyone. So again, we are connected here to discuss about Nifty technical levels. So as we covered the data, important indicators, open interest, FII data, volume, along with RSI, and we also covered previous day's momentum, and we always trying to identify the upcoming level of the Nifty with these all helping indicators. Why it is? Because कुछ ना कुछ तो बेस हमें बनाना पड़ता है जब मार्केट में हम लोग कोई भी ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूशन के लिए हम लोग जब भी चाहे whatever it is, any kind of, if we talking about any kind of business or kind of sort of I would say any task, तो हमें एक बेस तो बनाना पड़ता है. सो दीज इंडिकेटर बेसिकली काइंड सच एज बेस कि जहाँ यही जो इंडिकेटर्स जो हैं वो हमारी हेल्प करते हैं डेली बेसिस पे मार्केट के ट्रेंड को आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए. So this is the main reason that we covered all these datas, right? So now let's talk about Nifty. So what we are looking right now, continuously sharp upswing we can see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 from last 7 days, trading days, continuously sharp upswing we can see here, right? All candle green in closed in green, and this we can see here doji candle, right? But this is the hammer, bullish hammer, we can say that. But the point is, either you say the candle bullish hammer, bullish doji, I personally observe that this is nothing about if we are trying to identify the trend. Why I am saying that? Why? Because the point is, if market open tomorrow 400 point, 300 point Nifty downside, then what we say to this doji candle? So I never predict the market, I never identify the market on these names of the candles, bullish hammer, bullish doji, ये कर लेगी वो हो जाएगा, right? I never predict. I just only trying to observe the market to identify the next upcoming trends with previous day closing. This is my major part, always play to identify the trend. मैं हमेशा इसी के साथ हमेशा ये आइडेंटिफाई करता हूँ ट्रेंड्स को. ये मेरी सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ी हेल्प करते हैं, बिकॉज जब आप क्लोजिंग को देखना स्टार्ट करते हो ना कि बाज़ार जा किधर रहा है, तो आप नेक्स्ट ट्रेंड को पकड़ पाते हो. लेकिन अगर आप कैंडल की शक्ल देख रहे हो, राइट, आप बार बार 5-5 मिनट के चार्ट्स देख रहे हो, तो आप उस ट्रेंड को अल्टीमेटली नहीं पकड़ पाएंगे कि बेसिकली उसका ट्रेंड क्या है मार्केट का. सो मार्केट इज़ बुलिश. As we just recently celebrated the Diwali festival, so market is celebrating Diwali till today. We can say that, and this stuff, and I would say this stuff of the market will remain continue. Definitely, there is no sign of negativity. RSI is near about 84.60, very much bullish, very much bullish, we can say that. And if we talk about the FII data from last 5 days, we can see here the data, how the datas are increasing day by day. So today is 1300 crore net buying, FII DII, right? And market test new high, lifetime high, 21,080. I'm talking about 28 December 2023 Nifty future. Nifty made low 20,941. yesterday closing near about 942. So it just opened up around 100 point Nifty plus, then went down, then went up and closed in green. So finally the volume is minus 7%, which is I would say bias negative, and open interest we can see here price is rising, moving up, and open interest is moving up, then market is strong. This is the mantra. This is the basically formula. Sorry, not mantra, it is a formula. So further we can see here a gap up opening of the market. Tomorrow we can expect that as well, as market is going up. As market is going closed in green today as well. So we can expect tomorrow a new lifetime high in Nifty. There is no doubt. We can see here global indexes condition. Dow Jones in positive, Nasdaq slightly negative. FTSE, CAC European market, if I talk about, near closed 1% up. Asian market near 2%, Nikkei and other markets closed in green. Now, if we talk about the contribution, stock pulling indexes up, ITC played the major role, L&T, Reliance, TCS, Infosys played well, closed in green. Adani Enterprises closed in negative, ICC Bank closed in negative, Axis Bank, Eicher Motor, Maruti closed in negative. Maruti we can see here 10,625 rupees. It is near about lifetime high. So basically now what we can expect next Nifty level. First of all, I want to highlight you some data points. We can see here 15-minute charts of the Nifty day. The market open up, then go down, then go up, then go down, then go up. If we see here 1 hour chart, we can see here very closely. This is 6th December, first candle. It remains just I would say that this was the consolidation period. We can say here, we can see here market, because the open today near day high and then went down, then went up, then went down, then went up. So overall the picture is positive, there is no doubt. And tomorrow expected level, market is bullish and follow buy on dip, sell on rise. This is the best mantra. And if tomorrow if market open gap down, we can expect higher level 21,200, downside 20,940. If market open gap up, which we observing definitely 21,300, downside 21,040. If market open flat 21,250, higher level and downside 21,010. So this is all about today. Thank you so much. Keep learning, keep watching my videos. And if you do have any query regarding sort of any position, please drop me a message or give me a call at my this WhatsApp number so I can help you. Thank you very much. I will not charge anything to you. Thank you. Please stay connected.